Hi everyone, I'm Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Lottie files to Framer CMS. So as you can see, I have a blog with 5 articles. Now go to Insert and look up for this plugin called Dot Lottie. Bring it inside. You can also use the embed field, by the way, but it's not gonna be responsive, so therefore I suggest you to use this plugin. Now go to CMS, Edit Fields, create a new plain text field and call it embed. Go back now, select animation, go to link, set a variable and select embed. Put the width to fill and reduce the opacity to 0. Go to your Lottie files account and copy the animation you want to integrate. Go back to Framer now, click on CMS, click on the first article and paste the link inside the embed. And let's go back to the project now, and as you can see, we have this animation inside the Framer CMS. So that is it guys, thank you so much for watching this video, see you next time.